Hey everybody, this is a real quick video to tell you how to do a hard reset on a TOZO T10 Bluetooth wireless earbuds in case you are having issues like sound is only coming out of the left ear, sound is only coming out of the right ear, the earbuds won't stay connected, the earbuds won't connect. All kinds of issues like that, bugging and glitching, can be fixed with a simple hard reset, and it's very simple to do. All we're going to do is come in here and we're going to go ahead and take our earbuds out of the case. And when we take our earbuds out of the case, we're going to simultaneously on both earbuds press and hold the button on the back until they turn off, which will take about 5 seconds. And when it happens, the light will blink red and it will turn off. Once it turns off, wait just a second, and then we're going to release the buttons and then press again and hold. And you're going to press and hold this time for about 8 seconds. Just press and hold for about 8 seconds until the indicator light blinks several times blue, and that means that the earbuds will have been reset. And now you can repair these earbuds with whatever device you like.